If you're selling your products on a platform like TikTok Shop, Amazon or Shopify, then at some places you might need assistance from the seller support. So when you face an issue, you just go to your seller center, open the case log, raise a ticket or do the live chat with any of the seller support agent. But I have seen that many of the people don't know how to do that properly, and whenever they go on TikTok Shop seller center, they click on assistant, then instead of talking with live agent, TikTok Shop keeps recommending them some of the old article on the same issue so they can read those articles and they can solve their issue or get their answer themselves by reading those articles. But it can happen sometime like the problem which you are facing right now cannot be solved by reading those articles and you need to chat with any live agent from their seller support. So I thought I should make a short video on that topic today. So in this short video, after watching this, you will know how to contact or chat with TikTok Shop Seller Center live support. So if you also want to learn that, then keep watching this short video till the end, step by step, without skipping any part. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my TikTok Shop Seller Center. So basically the overall interface for this Seller Center is simple, and if you check the header menu on the top right side, you can see some option here. If I zoom in, so you can see here, the first option is customer message, second is notification, and the third one is assistant. So basically if you click on customer message, so here you can actually read the message which are sent by your customer to you, but from this option you cannot chat with TikTok Shop Seller Support, right? So if you want to do that, you have to go on this assistant and you have to click on this tab. So basically on this tab, they have made an AI assistant which will ask your question or problem from you, and when you type your question or problem, so that AI will basically find out the relevant article on their database regarding your problem and then give you that article to read, right? But in this video, we don't want to do that. Instead, we want to chat with the live agent so we can actually tell him or her the custom issue so he can reply us live and help us to solve our problem, right? So here you can see that when I click on the assistant, it basically generates me a default message like, hello, I am your AI assistant ready to help you succeed on TikTok Shop. How can I help you? And you can see that if I scroll down, it is giving me some options as well, like how do I increase sale, explore trending products, and what are the top trending products. So basically this AI agent will give you recommendation based on the most common question and searches, right? So there are 50% chance like when you type your question directly here, so you will get your answer. But if your question or problem is not common, then you might need assistance with live agent, right? So for example, if I just click on do I increase my sale, so here you can see that it has basically generated an auto response like great question. I noticed that some of your products are eligible on the sale accelerator. Let's explore how you can improve your product, right? So right now that's not my question, but instead I want to contact with live agent. So to do that, I have to scroll down and then here you can see that it says ask me a question. So here I have to type live agent and then click send. So here you can see that after I type live agent, it is still asking me that we understand that you're requesting customer service to connect you with the right agent. Please describe your issue. So right now still it is asking me to describe my issue, so it will not have to connect with the live agent, right? But still I don't have to describe my issue here. I have to type that message again, live agent, and send. So go there, type live agent and send. So after sending that second time, you can see that it is typing and then it is giving me the option to chat with the live agent. So when I click on that, so here you can see that unfortunately we are unable to connect with you with our online support at this time. Our agents are available from 8 AM till 12 AM. So basically here you have to understand, when you will go there, click on assistant, it will send you a default message to help you, right? But then if you type in second message live agent, then still it will ask you to describe your issue. And then if you type the live agent for the third time, then it will give you the option like that, chat with live agent between these hours, right? So if you open this chat with live agent in these hours, so after waiting for 2 or 3 minutes, it will connect you with the live agent and then you can actually ask any of the question or discuss your problem live with that agent, right? And after clicking on this chat with live agent, you might have to wait 2, 3 or maybe more than 5 minutes. But when you click on the live agent, so don't close the window, wait till that agent will connect you because that agent might be talking with someone else at the same time, right? So I hope this short video answers your question like how to chat with live agent for TikTok Shop Seller Center so you can talk with the seller support and get your issue resolved. So after watching this video, go there and between these time, try out this method to discuss your issue with TikTok Shop Seller Support. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.